Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to our main menu here, then just scroll down and let's go to settings and privacy. Then let's go to settings and then let's go to Meta Account Center. Then on Meta Account Center just scroll down and let's go to your personal details. So just click here and then let's go to account ownership and control. Then let's click on the deactivation or deletion account and select the account that you prefer to deactivate, in this case this one. Then you have two options here. You have deactivate account or delete account. If you select deactivate account, this is temporary and you can recover anytime that you prefer. But if you select delete account, it's permanently and well, you can recover anytime. So let's click in deactivate account. Then just click on continue and then just write your password here, then just press continue and your Facebook account will be deactivated. So guys, that's how it works. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.